to contribute here that I was very uncomfortable past 3 days. I would say really uncomfortable. Like I was resisting to the change coming to me via this magical body program which Kamalji is done for all of us, this collective contribution for each one of us towards each other. So what happened that I was very uncomfortable, and it was really kind of her that I asked and she called back. I said, I need to speak to you. My body is not doing good. I'm not feeling comfortable. So it was kind of her that, and my wholesome gratitude, my soul felt gratitude to her that she was spontaneous, which is like maybe my asking was the asking I was asking was very strong, and she contributed to it. And past 10 minutes I've been talking to her, and it's a greater shift. My body is lighter. It was my shoulders were paining like crazy. My neck was stiff despite of doing a process. It was not working on me, and my eyes were like as if I have chilly eye packs. I mean, I was very uncomfortable, and I'm definitely lighter. And all gratitude to her for making me so much at ease, and thank you so much. And you definitely are a contribution to the earth, so keep going, keep doing, and I shall actually ask more in case if I need. That's not a point of view, but I'm sure if it is ever, I know where to count upon and whom to ask for, and I'm sure universe is going to show me all that very soon. In case after this body class there is some lifetime issues mm, dumped into me, has to be cleared, though then I would get back to her for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this session today. It was wonderful experience. First time in my life I have felt so peaceful, so calm, and so relaxed. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was life-changing experience. I'm looking forward for swap and for the session. Thank you.
Hi, this is Pooja from Calcutta, and I have done now the magical relationship course with Kanwal, and I would really like to be. Really like to appreciate Kanwal for this WhatsApp course which she did 21 days before, and I have had a major awareness in my relationships because there were so many things that I knew, but I did not know that I knew them. And it was through one-to-one, dialogues with Kanwal on through WhatsApp and all the sessions we had on WhatsApp. And Kanwal made me so much easy for me to recognize what I am lacking in my relationships, and what I am not giving to myself, because she made me realize that it is not relationship always makes a distance. She told us, and it was so true. If we are true for ourselves in our relationship, our own with our own self, then everything is fine with us. So this awareness, this is one of the bang on awareness that I got from this course, from Magical Relationships of Kanwal Basur, that we should love ourselves and everything will be taken care of in the universe for us. And I am so much grateful for this course of Kanwal. I would really, whoever is looking for some major or minor or any changes or breakthroughs in relationships, this access tools from relationship course is really wonderful. I have done foundation before, but this just specifically relationship course, what I did right now with Kanwal is really astounding, and it's really very beautiful. I would recommend who all are in touch with her and who all are going wanting some changes in their lives through relationships, I would really suggest y'all to look forward for this course. And every day was new learning from me, and I'm so grateful for to Kanwal. I'm looking forward to her courses after this, because I really want to get major new awarenesses on everyday life also. And I would really look forward to courses. Right now I'm doing all the healings that Kanwal has sent in the recordings and through Zoom calls and all this. So right now I'm practicing all those, and I'm just practicing, choosing one part to, really change in my relationships. So right now I'm targeting on my relationships, and I'm doing everyday healings, call healings, and the loops what Kanwal had given to us. I'm listening to that, and once that it is over, and I will be joining a new course from Kanwal, and I would really recommend this course for anyone who wants to look forward, who wants a change in their life. Thank you, Kanwal, and I'm so grateful to you. Thank you.
Whatever you wanted to share. Sorry for stopping you. But whatever, don't, just go on.
Yeah, I just want to say that, I didn't understand what these sessions are all about, and I didn't understand, access consciousness. I just understood that it's very, very relaxing, and I feel very, very at peace, and very calm when I leave, from here. But recently, I've noticed that, okay, I have a history of, 9 years of clinical depression. I'm still taking medicines. For the past 9 years, I've been taking medication for clinical depression, and there has not been a single day that I have said that I am feeling happy and peaceful, and I am not kidding. I mean, at moments I might have said it, but a whole day, a whole day, a whole happy and peaceful day I have not spent in the last 9-10 years. And for the past 3-4 days, I've been doing this therapy for a week now. I think I've had uh, five five sessions now, 5 sessions, 6 sessions now, and
No, sorry. Today will be
yeah, 6 sessions now, and it's magic, because today I realized that for the past 3-4 days, I've been telling everybody that my circumstances are the same. I am still taking the medicines. I'm still still diagnosed as clinically depressed. But I am telling everybody, and I am feeling happy and peaceful and calm and very happy with my life, and 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 wanting to live, and not depressed. Like something has changed. I don't want to go for my counseling, because I'm not depressed. What will I tell my counselor? I don't want to talk to him, because I'm not depressed. So I don't want to talk to my counselor. So some magic has happened, and I realized, oh my God, this has happened because I am going for the active consciousness classes, you know. So now I realize that, oh, so before this I didn't even realize that, the active consciousness classes are working. So today I realized that in hindsight, oh, the classes I was going for, those classes are working for me. So today I realized that it's impossible that 3-4 days in a row I go without crying. It has not happened in the past 9-10 years. So it's happened in these 3-4 days, and it's amazing. And so much internal change, and I'm really, really thankful to Access Consciousness, and I plan to continue the classes, and I at some point plan to become a facilitator as well. And it's been a great experience. Thank you.
Well, that was really nice.